It looks scary, but I like it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test together the new lipsticks by Essence, and these are the Velvet Matte lipsticks. You can find them in 12 different shades, and I got all the colors so I could do all the lip swatches today. The price of each one is €2.25. I got mine from the DM store, the DM website, and also the Cosmetic for Less website. I will do swatches for all of the colors and I will use them on my lips, and after that I will have one of them and I will wear it during the day, so we will see if the formula is long lasting. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite lipstick, drugstore or high-end, and also share this video with a friend that likes lipsticks. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's start with the swatches, and I will start with the lighter color so it can be easier for me to change the color all the time. On my lips now I have this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Dewy Full Lips Conditioning Lip Butter with Shea Butter, and this is in the color Let's Do This. To prep my lips I have made my own lip scrub. I have used honey and a little bit of sugar. The first color that I'm going to use is number 1, and it is the color Donuts Go Nut. Let's see how it looks on the lips. It is very creamy and it looks like it is darker, but it's not. This is very opaque and it is very easy to make the color like this. And if I press my lips together, the lipstick doesn't separate and it looks very blended and beautiful. So the next color is number 2. It is called Marshmalove. This is an everyday pink lipstick. It's not very intense, and if I press my lips together, it doesn't separate and the color is very opaque and it is very easy to apply it on the lips. The next color is number 3, and it is called Dusty Romance. It is something that I can wear every day, this one. The color doesn't separate. Thumbs up. The next lipstick is number 4, and it is called Hungry Pink. Again, the color doesn't separate. This one looks very nice with my eye makeup today, and I have used the Eye Flirt eyeshadow palette by Essence, and I am trying to use it these days so I can post my review for that palette next week. After that we have number 5, and it is Purple Rave. So let's see how it looks on the lips. That's a vibrant lilac color, and if I press my lips together, the color doesn't separate. Afterwards we have the color 7, and it is called Craving You. These lipsticks, they don't stain the skin. If you do any mistakes, take a Q-tip and clean it very easy. It doesn't stain. I think this is a very nice option if you want to add a little bit of color on your lips for every day, because it is not very intense. It is a muted coral lipstick. Next we have number 8, and this is Duck Face. I have used this one again in a makeup tutorial, and let's see how it looks on the lips. It looks scary, but I like it. They are so easy to apply, these lipsticks. I just press my lips and that's it. It is like one layer of lipstick. For some reason I like this one. Most of the times I don't like light colors on me, but I don't know, it is different and I like it. It doesn't separate. The next color is number 6. We are going back, and this is the Unredsistible. I love this kind of colors. Magenta, pinkish, creamy. That's me. This is how Unredsistible looks on my lips. And it is a very nice color. I like these colors on me. If I press my lips together, the color doesn't separate, and you don't need a lot of product. If you apply only on the lower lip, you can just press your lips and it will transfer on your top lip. And you don't need a lot of this lipstick, it's very creamy. I started not feeling my lips. Next we have Greedy Coffee. Let's see how it looks on the lips. I think this is a very nice color for every day if you wear red lipsticks, and it is a little bit different. It is like a muted purple, red, brown color. After that we have number 9, and this is Red Velvet Cake. I have this on my lips in my advent calendar video. I will have a card here if you want to see the eye look that I have done for this lipstick. It is a very rich red color. It is easily applied, but you need a lip pencil for this one because it stains a little bit the skin, so it is better to apply lip pencil as a base or to outline your lips, and after that apply this one. Next we have number 11 Fudgy brownies. So this is a grey brown color that is a little bit vampy. I think this one will look fantastic for a vampire look for Halloween. If I press my lips together, it doesn't separate. Thumbs up! The next color is even darker. Wait for it! After that we have a black lipstick. This is number 12 and it is called It's or O'Clock. I didn't swatch this one and it is so pretty and new. This one is a little bit more difficult to apply because it is a very dark color. This one has a more slippery consistency and it separates when I press my lips together. To prevent that, you can use a black lip pencil or eye pencil. If you're going to use your eye pencil, make sure that you will sharpen it before and after use so you can use it again on your eyes. You don't want to infect your eyes, and apply it as a base on your lips so this one will not move and you will not see any gaps of your own lip color. I applied again Greedy Coffee and I will keep this one for my wear test. And I can say that all the lipsticks are very creamy, lightweight and easy to apply on the lips, except the black one that it is a little bit more slippery and it needs a base. You can make the lipstick opaque very easy and they are comfortable on the lips. All the lipsticks have a very mild scent and they don't have a very specific taste. It is something very mild and it's not irritating. The finish, it's not completely matte. It is like the name Velvet Matte and it is the right amount of shiny so your lips can look healthy. The formula is very creamy and it doesn't set in the final lines. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite color of the lipsticks, and let's see now if the lipstick is long lasting. Hi guys, it's been 5 hours and let's see what happened with the lipstick. As we can see, I have a lot of color. It faded, the color is not as intense as before, but it didn't bleed. It doesn't claim that it is long lasting, but it lasted 5 hours. It is not creamy as before. In the first 3 hours it started being not as creamy as in the beginning. Now it's not creamy, it is very dry on my lips, and you can also see that some lines are more intensified. In my opinion, it lasted a lot of hours. I ate, I was drinking water all the time, and I still have color on my lips and it doesn't look patchy. I will apply just a little bit more to see how it looks. It looks very nice. It is very creamy again, as good as new. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you are interested in these lipsticks. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!